Hello, day 3. There are a lot to come still, but today I want to talk about the importance of understanding who we are, what we are doing here, where we are going to. And there are really essential questions that we, yes, can find answers or have answers at our disposition. And I like to share it. And based on the quantum science, it is very clear and easy to know who we are, what we are doing here. And yes, with great pleasure, I will share that with you. Not now, because in 3 minutes, 4 minutes, I can't do it. But yes, there are opportunities to share all this information. But I tell you all the different topics and issues that I'm teaching and I'm touching upon and going into depth into it. So the first thing is to clean ourselves. There are many energies with us that shouldn't be there, have been there perhaps many lives, but they frame us, they slow us down, perhaps they boycott us, they take all our energy. Sometimes till 90+% of our energy is being absorbed by these energies. So that is really a lot. And then people get so quickly exhausted, which is logical. It's not strange. And so we are going to detect what strange energies are with you, what collective energies are with you, what energies of the past are with you, what entities are with you, and a lot of other things. And what is the cause of it? And what were you in wars? Were you tortured? Were you here or there? Or what happened to you? So that you get clarity. Because often something that is happening in this life is a resonance or a continuation of happenings that were already perhaps a few lives back. It's not all originated from this life. So sometimes we even don't understand why we have big problems or whatever. But if we really dig into it, we discover what's going on. So all these things are important. On top, it's important that we refine all the parts of our own soul that we got rid of. No, not got rid of, but we lost, because each time that a very dear person dies, part of us goes with them to not let them go alone. But all doing this repeatedly, then at the end we are fragmented through space and time. And we don't know anymore who we are. And what is it all about? That we don't remember. And so getting all these parts of your own soul back is very important. But these parts of your soul have suffered and they are sad and they are lonely and so on, and you don't want to get them back in that state. So first we are going to have a huge purification of all these parts of your soul so that they can come back to you in the here and now, so that you can be feel complete and whole. Yeah, and then tomorrow we go on. Bye-bye.